In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite not launching on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So there are few things you should try that can fix Fortnite not launching on your PS5. So the first thing you should do is to simply restart your PS5. To do this, press the PS button on your controller. Now here, go to the last option, that is power. Then here, go on restart and press X and your PlayStation will restart. Now the second thing you should do is make sure your game is up to date. So go on Fortnite and then press this options button on your controller. Now here, go and check for update and press X and wait for it to check. And if there are any updates available, you will see here and update your Fortnite, and that might fix your problem. So now the third thing you should do is to check if your PlayStation 5 has enough storage space left. So to check it, go on settings. Now here, go in storage. Now here you'll see how much storage space is left. If there is very little storage space left, then you should clear up some things and free up some space, and that might help you to fix the Fortnite not launching on your PS5. Now the next thing you should do is there is a thing called rebuild database. So you will need to go in safe mode menu for that. So you will need to turn off your PlayStation. So let me turn off my PlayStation. I'll skip this part. Now once your PlayStation is turned off completely, connect your PlayStation controller to USB to your PlayStation and then press the power button until it beeps twice to enter safe mode. So let me press my power button of my PlayStation. Now press the PS button on your controller. Now here go to the sixth point, clear cache and rebuild database, and press X. Then here go on clear system software cache, press X, go on OK, press X, wait for it to do that. It will take few minutes and you'll see something like this. And your PlayStation will probably restart. So now we have only cleared the database. We have only cleared the cache, and now let's rebuild the database. So turn off your PlayStation. After your PlayStation is completely turned off, press and hold your PlayStation power button until it beeps twice. So let me do that. So previously we cleared the cache. Now we'll rebuild database. So go on rebuild database and go on OK and press X. Now wait for a few minutes. Your PlayStation will start and the database will be rebuilt. After doing all of this, if the problem still is not fixed, then sometimes the game server are down too. So you should try checking the Epic Games server status online. And if everything's fine there, you might need to update or reinstall Fortnite. Also see if there are any system updates for your PS5. So to check system updates, go in settings, then go in here system, then go in system software, go in console information, and here in the system software you will see if your system is up to date or not. So I hope I was able to help you out to solve the problem, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.